So, hi guys. We have already seen what is TensorFlow and what are different types of operations in TensorFlow. So now, before that, we are going to see about the TensorFlow installing. How to install this TensorFlow and how we have already seen that it is an open source software. But how we are in which step? What are the steps which is followed to installing this TensorFlow? So by installing the TensorFlow for the first step is to develop the machine learning and deep learning application. So this is an cross platform, and at the same time it is an open source framework which is can be installed in the systems like Windows XP, Linux, Mac OS system. So before installation there is a basic requirement, such as we have already seen that which application which app is used frequently is Python. So such as Python version which is compatibility, and package of manager which is name is pip pipe, and the system configuration must be ensured. So a proper installation which allows to build train the set. If the installation is not done properly, the while the execution will be makes the more error. So the installation should be a proper installation. The users to build, train the and test the data sets and deploy the machine learning models efficiently. So installing the sensor flow correctly, which is important, which because becomes the smooth execution of program, hardware support, GPU, CPU, and error-free model training. So this next for this process, we can use this setting up TensorFlow in GPU. So this allows the machine learning model to run much faster by using the system, that is GPU, that is system graphic processing unit, instead of CPU. This we have already seen that the setup in TensorFlow which is used to GPU, not CPU. So by using this GPU, which supports especially important for deep learning tasks such as image recognition, video processing, neural network with a large amount of data which is processed in parallel. So why we are using GPU rather than CPU? It is a faster model training, used for faster, better performance, and efficient handling for the complex neural network. So then compared to the CPU, GPU is more efficient. For example, CPU is a teacher and GPU is a 100 teacher working together. So how the efficient will be looks. So the basic requirement for GPU setup, one is NVIDIA GPU, that is CUDA enabled, compatible NVIDIA driver, CUDA toolkit, CUDNN library, Python, mainly Python pipe, and TensorFlow GPU supported versions. So the first step which we have going to follow is to install to check the GPU availability, to ensure the system is connected with the NVIDIA GPU that supports the CUDA, which examples in the RTX series GPU. And next is installed in the GPU driver, and which installs the driver with the advanced. This allows the operating system to communicate with the GPU. And a CDU toolkit, which developed a platform by NVIDIA, that which enables the GPU computing. The TensorFlow uses CUDA to perform the computations on the GPU, and we have to install CUDNN, which is used as a deep learning neural network library which optimize the deep learning operations, mainly which focused upon the pooling activation functions. We have already seen the activation functions sigmoid, ReLU, and TAN. So like that way, for that purpose we are using this we have to install the CUDNNA. And next one, we have to detect the correctly, we have to install the by installing we have to use this pipe install TensorFlow. So verify this GPU, we have used the code. So this GPU power is action is imagine a college lab with the training lab by using the recognition handwritten exams is then with CPU the model trained overnight. So the GPU the same model finishes training in a minute. So overnight it will be focused in the CPU than compared to the GPU it will be makes in a seconds. So next we are going to how to install this pipe. We were used to check the Python is available installed. The if the pip is already installed, the Python is installed, we have to follow the ensure pipe that is recommended. So upgrade this versions and verify this version. So installing GPU versions of TensorFlow, this are the some of the difference. It is slower in performance, this faster, which already I have said. This is one teacher and which is compared to the 100 teachers, the result will be more efficient. So the wide system compatibility, the simple installation which we happened here, the complex installation which already I've explained, there have been 4 steps for the installation of the GPU. So this is the NVIDIA GPUs significantly accelerate the training and inference. This is a highly recommended of deep learning task, and especially when dealing with a large data set and complex models. So this is the additional requirements for the GPU requirements, CUDA toolkit and a CNN library which is used in the platform for the TensorFlow. So these are the steps for CUDA and CUDNNA installation. This is account extractions, and here this is a direct installation. Here the website is down through website we have downloaded. Here the manual copy is being processed. Thank you.